Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: LinkedIn lead generation approaches that will make you successful in 2023. As we all know, LinkedIn has become an incredibly powerful platform for professionals, entrepreneurs, and businesses to connect and generate leads. In this video, we'll share with you some proven strategies and approaches that will help you maximize your success on LinkedIn. This video is going to be very helpful to boost your career to a new level. So watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any of the steps. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right in. First of all, as we know, LinkedIn is one of the fastest growing social media platforms, which is all about business. It's a gold mine that can generate hundreds of calls with clients who can buy your high ticket offers, but only if you know how to use it correctly. But LinkedIn has changed dramatically in the last couple years. Earlier, in the 2020s, people were able to generate massive success from just sending out a ton of automated messages. But now, the audience is now a little bit sick of getting automated messages. And so, many people are doing prospecting, due to which LinkedIn has really clamped down. What used to work in past years on LinkedIn is no longer working today. So let me show you right now how can actually use LinkedIn successfully to generate new clients in 2023 and maybe beyond. Approach number 1. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. To start your lead generation journey on LinkedIn, you need to ensure that your profile is optimized to attract the right audience. Your profile is the first impression you make on potential leads, so it's crucial to make it compelling and professional. Start by having a high-quality profile picture and a captivating headline that highlights your expertise. Don't forget to include relevant keywords to make it easier for people to find you. Customize your LinkedIn URL to make it more memorable and professional. Make sure you write a compelling summary that clearly communicates your value proposition and showcases your achievements. Also, be aware to mention your skills, experiences, and education. Finally, make sure your contact information is easily accessible so that interested prospects can reach out to you effortlessly. Your profile should be like your prospects and trust you. Remember, a well-optimized profile will always attract more views and increase your chances of generating leads. Approach number 2. Build a targeted network. Building a strong network is crucial for successful lead generation on LinkedIn. Having a large network is great, but having a targeted network is even better. Start by connecting with people in your industry, target market, and potential clients. Focus on connecting with individuals who are relevant to your industry or target audience. Engage with their content, comment on their posts, and share valuable insights. Personalize your connection request to increase the likelihood of acceptance. Building a targeted network would not only help you reach the right people, but also enable you to leverage their networks for even more connections and potential leads. Approach number 3. Publish valuable content consistently. A well thought out content strategy is crucial for LinkedIn lead generation. Content is king, and LinkedIn is a great platform to showcase your expertise and provide value to your audience. Start by identifying your target audience and understanding their pain points and interests. This will help you tailor your content to resonate with them. Additionally, share insightful articles, create engaging videos, and post helpful tips and advice related to your industry. Use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your content. Encourage engagement by asking questions and inviting discussions. By consistently providing valuable content, you position yourself as a thought leader in your field and attract leads who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Approach number 4. Engage with your connections and groups. LinkedIn is all about building relationships, so make sure to engage with your connections regularly. Like and comment on their posts, share their content, and congratulate them on their achievements. Join relevant groups in your industry and actively participate in discussions. Provide thoughtful insights and offer help whenever possible. Participate in discussions, answer questions, and provide value to establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. This will attract like-minded professionals and potential leads to connect with you. By engaging with others, you stay top of mind and build meaningful relationships that can lead to valuable business opportunities. Approach number 5. Leverage LinkedIn's advanced search features. LinkedIn offers powerful search filters that allow you to find potential leads based on various criteria such as location, industry, job title, and more. Utilize these search features to identify prospects who fit your target audience. It will help you identify potential leads based on various criteria such as industry, job title, location, and company size. Reach out to them with personalized messages that demonstrate your understanding of their needs and how you can help. Avoid generic or sales pitches. Instead, focus on building a genuine connection and offering value. Mention specific points from the profile to show that you have done your research and are genuinely interested in their work. By leveraging LinkedIn's advanced search features, you can efficiently and effectively connect with high-quality leads. Approach number 6. Utilize LinkedIn's advertising options. LinkedIn offers various options to help you reach a wider audience and generate leads. Sponsored content, sponsored mail, and text ads are just a few examples of the advertising opportunities available. When running LinkedIn ads, make sure to define your target audience clearly. Create compelling ad copy and visuals. Also, track your results and make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaigns for better lead generation. Regularly analyze and optimize your ads to ensure maximum return on investment. Approach number 7. Measure and analyze your results. Finally, to ensure your lead generation efforts are effective, track and measure your results. To try succeed on LinkedIn, it's essential to track and measure your lead generation efforts. LinkedIn provides analytics that can help you understand the performance of your posts, engagement levels, and the number of leads generated. Use these insights to refine your content strategy, identify areas of improvement, and focus on the tactics that are bringing in most leads. Pay attention to metrics such as profile views, connection requests, engagement on your posts, and leads generated. Analyze the data to identify patterns and trends and use these insights to refine your approach. Additionally, track the progress of your connections and conversations. Monitor how many connections turn into meaningful interactions and potential business opportunities. This will help you identify the most effective approaches and adjust your strategies accordingly. Experiment with different strategies and see what works best for your specific goals and target audience. Remember, data-driven decision-making is key to continuous improvement and achieving success on LinkedIn. Approach number 8. Participate in LinkedIn groups and communities. LinkedIn groups are a fantastic way to connect with like-minded professionals and potential leads. So in order to get maximum lead generation, I would highly suggest you to join groups that are relevant to your industry or niche and actively participate in discussions. Share your expertise, answer questions, and provide valuable insights. By consistently engaging in groups, you can establish yourself as an authority and build trust with your peers and potential clients or customers. Approach number 9. Utilize LinkedIn's messaging feature. LinkedIn's messaging feature allows you to directly communicate with your connections. Instead of sending generic messages, take the time to personalize your message based on the recipient's profile and interests. As I already said, please avoid sounding overly salesy and focus on building relationships and providing value. Engage in meaningful conversations, offer assistance, and establish rapport. By leveraging the messaging feature effectively, you can nurture leads and convert them into valuable business opportunities. Approach number 10. Collaborate with influencers and industry experts. Nowadays, influencer marketing is a powerful strategy to expand your reach and generate leads on LinkedIn. You should have the skill to identify influential individuals in your industry and build relationships with them. Just closely identify their profile and number of followers, and on that basis, Hire them for paid collaboration on content, interviews, or webinars that can benefit both parties and provide value to your audience. By associating yourself with industry experts and influencers, you gain credibility and exposure, which can lead to increased lead generation. And there you have it, 10 powerful LinkedIn lead generation approaches that will surely be successful in 2023. Remember, success on LinkedIn requires consistency, authenticity, and a genuine desire to build meaningful connections. By optimizing your profile, building a large network, publishing valuable content, engaging with others, leveraging search features and advertising options, measuring your results, effectively participating in groups, utilizing messaging, and collaborating with influencers, you can maximize your lead generation efforts and achieve remarkable success on this platform. By staying active on the platform, providing value to your connections, and continually refining your approach based on data-driven insights, you can position yourself for success in LinkedIn lead generation in 2023. That's it for today's video. We hope you liked the 6th video of our LinkedIn series and found these LinkedIn lead generation approaches valuable and actionable. If you want to grab more knowledge about LinkedIn, then we have already uploaded 5 videos of the LinkedIn series. The links of all the previous videos are mentioned in the description box. You must go and check. If you found this video knowledgeable and useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, share this video to others who really needs to optimize their LinkedIn and excel their career to the next level. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay connected and stay successful on LinkedIn. And that's a wrap. Thank you for tuning into our video today. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative or entertaining. We personally suggest you read the 3 books which are mentioned in the description. We are going to donate 9% of the total earnings from this video for the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to our channel, and if you have gained anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Remember, a well-optimized LinkedIn profile can make all the difference in your professional career. That's all for today. See you in our next video.